And the launcher is very simple and clean. It has two modules. One is recommend, the other one is called settings. In the settings module, you have all the Wi-Fi settings. This is where you connect to the Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth if you have some, like a Bluetooth speaker or a Bluetooth mouse, you can connect it right here. And there's a few other options, such as 4-point keystone adjustment, and also your language settings. Okay, the next module is where all the apps are located. So the Android version has the system, it's a smart system, and it can have, you can install apps. So to find apps, you go into the App Store. This App Store is Google Play App Store. The apps that are already installed are YouTube, Netflix, and Miracast, and also AirPin Pro, which is used for screen mirroring your iPhone. Okay, let's try to open YouTube. Okay, so YouTube opens, and let's try to play something like this video. Peppa Pig, and it's playing Peppa Pig. Do you like watching Peppa Pig? I don't, so close. Alright, next. Let's turn off YouTube. Okay, let's see, is my USB stick inside? Yes, my USB key is already plugged in. Let's play something from my USB key. Alright, first I want to select all so that it can find all the files that are in my USB stick. First I'm going to show you an image with lots of text. So this model is a 1080p model, and that means that it has a lot of pixels, which makes text easy to read. Next, let's try to play a movie. Let's go into movies. And here I have a movie. There's two files. One is an MP4 file with a movie. The other file is for subtitles. So with this video projector, you have to actually go into settings of the movie player and then choose your subtitle file. Video subtitle, external, and then choose path, which is the only given path, the same folder as the movie. Click OK, and then back. And now the video should play with subtitles. Let's fast forward to a place where they actually speak. Okay, next let's play another kind of video. Let's play a movie clip. I have a bunch in this folder.
Remember me. Remember me.
Okay, next thing that I want to show you is how to screen mirror your mobile phone. I have a Huawei phone, which is an Android phone. So to screen mirror, go to all apps and then open Miracast. Next, on your phone, go down into the drop-down menu and then choose cast or wireless projection. It depends on your phone. And then wait a second. And here it is. The phone has found one device, which is called MCAST 53F4.